Hello everyone, 大家好. Welcome to this channel. This is Ting. This channel is help people to understand very small grammatical parts and how it really works in survive Chinese. If you are a beginner or if you are already on the way to learn Chinese but you don't want to miss anything, please follow my channel. Today we are going to talk about grammar 吧. It has two usages, substitutions and suggestions. It also makes the speech softer, but it runs through the suggestions and the substitutions, so mainly we can consider as two usages. In this video, we are going to talk about the suggestion part. I will use 8 sentences to help you to know how exactly to use it. Let's get started. 我们走吧，我们走吧. Let's go, but in a soft way. If you delete 吧，我们走, so 我们走, 我们走, it more sounds like I don't want to talk with you anymore. I'm leaving with anger. 停这里吧，停这里吧. Let's stop here. Please stop here. 停这里吧. Compare with 请停这里, which means please stop here. 停这里吧 will be more spoken language. So 停这里吧. 工作很多，我们开始吧。工作很多，我们开始吧. A lot of work. Let's do it. Let's start. But it is a polite request, not like a hard command. 我们开始，我们做. Well, this is like a polite request. Okay, next. 我们坐一下吧。我们坐一下吧. Let's take a seat, shall we? How about let's take a seat? 我们坐一下吧. Okay. 我们明天去看电影吧。我们明天去看电影吧. How about tomorrow? Let's go and watch a movie. 我们明天去看电影吧。我们等会儿去公园吧。我们等会儿去公园吧. So, the time word, we usually put the second place after subject, like 我们等会儿 or 我们明天. Okay, how about later? After a while, we go to the park. Next, 我懂汉语，你说汉语吧。我懂汉语，你说汉语吧。I understand Chinese. I know Chinese. How about you speak Chinese? It's okay for me. 出租车太贵了，我们坐地铁吧。出租车太贵了，我们坐地铁吧. Taxis are too expensive. How about let's take a metro? How about let's take a subway? Quiz. Too expensive. Cheaper a little, please. Cheaper, please. Okay, too expensive. 太贵了，太贵了，便宜一点吧. Do you remember after the adjective we put with 一点 to make a request? So here, 便宜一点吧. But it is a soft and a polite request. Okay. How about let's go to restaurant today? How about let's go to restaurant today? Okay, we start with the subject 我们 and Today, yes, the time we put at the second place. 我们今天去饭店吧。我们今天去饭店吧。Let's go to the restaurant today. Okay? Shall we? Okay. This is better. How about buy this? Let's buy this one, shall we? Or please? This one is better. 这个更好，这个更好，买这个吧，买这个吧。So, they are the range to use 吧 as a suggestion or a requirement. If you have more questions or you build a sentence you are not sure if it is correct, please leave it below. I will answer you as soon as possible. Next time we will talk about 吧 when the words in a supposition. Thank you for your watching. I will see you next time. 再见。